Hello everyone and welcome back to another math video. Today we're going to be talking about the triangle inequality theorem. So similar to the problems that you see up on the screen here. Okay, so here is the sort of complicated mathematical triangle inequality. Okay, if you like complicated math, this is for you. If you just want a simple explanation, then this thing at the bottom is for you. Okay, this is my words, all right? And we're going to look at this in just a second. It says the sum, so that means we're adding, right, of the two shorter sides. So you're going to add the two shorter sides. When you add the two short sides, it must be greater than the longest side. Now, I know that was a little mathy. Let's see how it works. So here's our phrase that I just said. Okay, and let's see how it works on these problems. So it says, can the sides of a triangle have lengths 2, 2, and 5? All right. Sum the two shorter sides. So what are the two shortest sides out of those numbers? Well, that would be the 2 and the 2, right? 2 plus 2, and we said the sum of the two shorter sides, which is 4, must be greater than the longer side. So is 4 bigger than the longest side, 5? 4 bigger than 5? No. So this triangle cannot be created. Like, you literally cannot create a triangle that has sides 2, 2, and 5. They will not connect. Okay? Let's try another one here. This one says, can the sides of a triangle have lengths 5, 5, and 10? So again, let's add the two shorter sides. So the two shortest sides here are 5 and 5. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10, is it bigger? Because it must be greater than the longest side. Is 10 bigger than 10? No, it is not, right? 10 is not bigger than 10. It's exactly 10. So this is a no. This triangle cannot be created. For the last one, your two shortest sides are 6 and 15. And in this case, it's 21. 21 is greater than, right? Remember, this is the greater than symbol. 21 is greater than 19. So this is a yes. This triangle can be created. All right, here's our cool clock for today, which means that it's time for you to practice what you just learned. Go ahead and pause the video and try these 3 problems on your own. And when you're ready, you can unpause the video and we'll check your answers. Okay, now that you've had time to work these problems, let's check your solutions. Okay, for the first problem, 5 and 17 gives me 22. 22 is greater than 17, so yes, this triangle can be created. For the second problem, the 1 and the 11 gives me 12. 12 is not greater than, when I put the slash through it, that means not greater than 12. So this one is a no. And for the last problem, when you add up the two short sides, you get 21.1, which is greater than 17.9. Yes, this triangle can be created. All right, that's it for today. I hope you all have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.